Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what I call a yum yum pudding. It's like a take on bread pudding really, but it's made with yum yum. So we're going to start off with 60ml of milk and 60ml of double cream and 1 egg. And then you're going to give that a good old whisk. And then we're going to take our yum yums. I've got 4 yum yums and I'm going to cut each one into 4. And then we're going to put this into our cream, milk and egg mixture and let it soak for about half an hour. So I put this in the fridge, and then once I'm ready to layer it up, then I will take it out. So about half an hour is probably about a good time. And I'm going to use this cheap chocolate hazelnut spread from Asda. And we're just going to layer out our yum yums. So we're going to do 1 layer, and then we'll put like a chocolate layer. You can use jam if you want, or you can use peanut butter. You can use all sorts really, but I like it like this. And then we're going to bake for 35 minutes at 180. Enjoy.